Starting 2025, we do want to start on a good note, but I say we start now. I mean, a lot of people got money now and they are probably using the money, and then the next thing, there is no investment. My advice to you is start buying equities, shares, EFTs in EasyEquities. So it is a simple step, guys. It might look complicated, but then I am going to show you how to deposit money, because before you can even do anything, you do need to deposit money into EasyEquities, and then I'll show you how to buy a share and get a share certificate. So let's go to EasyEquities so I can show you how to do that. First thing, you have to log into your EasyEquity account. If you do not have an account, you'll find the link on the bio. And then once you log in, you click portfolio on the left-hand side, bottom left, and then you will see your portfolio. So these are my B shares, which are constantly dropping. Then the three lines at the top left, you click that, and then you click invest now. So this is when you have money, but then I am going to show you how to add money. So you see there's different accounts. There's our one, there's also TFSA, and then there's even more accounts. So you scroll down and then you click equities actually, and then you start searching for whatever share you want to buy or stocks that you want to buy. I want to buy Capitec. So as you can see in my South African market, I do not have money, so I do need to deposit money there. So when I click it and go and scroll down, this is where you would actually buy it. But then I'm just showing you guys how to analyze if a share is a good one to buy. So you click for 3 months, for 6 months, for maximum. So what I normally do, I check what was the price back in 2023, and then I will check maximum to see if the graph is going up. So if the graph is not going up for max, then maybe that share is not a good one to buy. So as you can see, this one, 2018, the price was up. 2023, the price was, and then now it's 3,197. So you can see that this is a share that is going up. So I go back to my funds. This is bottom right, and then you click EasyEquities, and then after clicking my funds, you click EasyEquities, and then you'll see that there's EFT and then there's credit card. So obviously credit card, it will clear immediately, but then even with EFT it only took 5 minutes. So you select the bank that you are using. So there's different types. So I'm using Standard Bank. So first thing first, I'm going to copy the reference, but I obviously do need to open my Standard Bank account in order for me to buy. So I log into my account, I create a beneficiary, which is the details that has been given to me. So I'll start with the reference and add that to my account, to my bank account, so that I'll be able to buy in the future. So just keep checking the reference all the time, in case if maybe sometimes it will change, but then it never changed before. But just in case, just always make sure that this beneficiary that you are creating, you will check the reference before depositing. So I'll just go back and forth to EasyEquity and get the banking details and then complete this. So once I am done creating the beneficiary, then I'll be able to buy, because I already added that. So buying for 100 Rand, you can buy for 1,000, you can buy for 10,000, whatever amount you want to spend, you can just deposit. So just keep depositing whenever you have money, so that when the share goes down, you'll be able to buy. So you click invest at the bottom, you click equities, and then you'll be able now to go and select the share that you want. And then I am on my ZAR account, so meaning I'm buying South African shares. So Capitec, and then as you can see, the money is now reflecting. This took 5 minutes. Then I just click buy now. So at the bottom, you will see that you can specify the amount that you want to buy with. So you're basically buying a share. It doesn't need to be one share. It can even be a portion of it. So I am going to use 100 Rand, all of it, so that I show you that you do need to add money for fees. But then you will see it will populate how much money you're going to buy. So for this one, the estimated share is 0.04, and then the estimated cost is 0.35. So can you see how cheap it is? So when it comes to market order and limit order, you're buying at the current price. Limit order, you're saying, okay, when it drops to a certain amount, then buy. So I am going to buy with market order. So as you can see, it says insufficient funds. So I do need to reduce because I need to pay for fees. So I'm just going to specify 90 Rand. And then can you see now it allows me to buy. So I can buy now anytime. Right now it's 7:30. but it will buy tomorrow when the stock market opens. So this is my share certificate. So yeah, guys, I'm currently a shareholder at Capitec with whatever percentage I have. So you can keep buying the share until you have one share. But do remember that this share is going up. So when you go as well to your portfolio, you'd see that there's different types of account. EasyEquities are, there's EasyEquity USD if you want to buy USA shares, and then there's also BEE shares. And then when you go to portfolio, you see how much you have in this share. So for now, I only have, under ZAR account, I only have this Capitec. So you can see pending orders, you can see your holding, you can see the share that is going to be cleared on Monday morning when the stock market open. So guys, this is the link for EasyEquity and Luno. You can check my bio and you'll be able to click and create an account. I hope you understand how to buy your share. Thank you, guys.